Hello, welcome to the TV room. I've not been here for a while. I have been busy. I'm joyfully back to work. And I would say 99.9% of it is going remarkably well. So, let's see here. Now, I know the last time I was tinkering, I was working on a VIC-20 here. Things were happening. Well, I'm not sure what's happened, but I'm going to set it aside for the moment because, well, I'm not sure if the power supply got cooked or what happened, but something is not as it should be. So I'm going to set this aside. I am, if I can just do it in a safe way that nothing falls. I just had a bit of an avalanche in here, which of course is what I'm always striving to not have happen. Anyway, so here is a Commodore 64. It's rather dirty. It's rather filthy. It has been serviced by ComSpec. And I can't see what it says here, but maybe. No, I can't make out what it says. Anyway, this came from a recent acquisition, which of course I strive not to ever do again, but things happen. Now, because this and its parts and things were in a rather, I don't know, I suspect they were kept in a shed or a garage or an attic or something that maybe wasn't, the best. I'm going to violate the ComSpec repair warranty here. A lot of places would put stickers over screw things, including Commodore, so they could tell if you had been inside and violated the sacred warranty. Okay, so that is over. Oh, well, also it's got a couple of broken keys. That's standard. Now, one screw did not come out, and that would be the one under the sticker, even though it has let go. Let's try again. So normally, I'm usually brave. I just turn things on, but not this time. All right. Come on. Keyboard connect. Oh my word. It's very stuck, very stuck. And the LED is kind of falling out. I still haven't got the keyboard connector off. Oh my word. Okay, it's off. So I can set the keyboard that's missing a couple of screws, not screws, sorry, keys, down. There's the LED. I'll toss that down there. And then I'll have a look. And as I expected, there is considerable crap in here. It is an old 64 board. Let's see. We'll use the magnifying glass. Revision A. Remember, of course, revision A, while it is old, it's not the rarest. From what I know, revision B is the rarest. So as I look in here, there's not too much crap, although I blew a lot of it away. Funny, the video connector thing, not connector cover, is a bit up. Just want to make sure. Yep. Oh my. Well, I've never had that happen before. It didn't just take the cover off. It took the thing off. The whole thing. It just came off. I've never seen that happen before. Never. I wonder if somebody had loosened it or if it just got loose. But I really don't want to force it back down, so I'll take it off. There, see, there's the cover. There's the sides, there's everything. Wow. I have never, ever had that happen before. But, you know, things happen. What do I have here? Ah, yes. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh my. All right, let's have a look. There's the board. All the chips are in there. But does it work? That is the question. And I just turned this monitor in front of me on. I just realized that's not going to do me any good. Because, of course, it being an early one, it is, don't worry, nothing important. It will not, it needs a 5-pin connector, not the 8-pin connector. That also means I have to stretch over here. Oh, take this down. Reach over here. Turn on these two monitors with my grabber. And then seek power, etc. So here, okay, the power is off. Here is a power supply. Now, you know what? As much as I say, I really got to tidy up. I really do have to tidy up. I do. I think this is a monitor thing. Yeah, it is. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. I need the 5-pin. Need 5-pin. Well, I guess the thing to do now is just turn it on. See what happens. Okay, I see weird stuff going on over here. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I'm seeing weird things. Weird things. So it is getting power. Because I see on this screen I see nothing. But on this one I did see a flash. I did. Now, one thing I could do. See, I just had a bit of an avalanche here with a can of things. So I guess I need to tidy that up. But for the moment, I'm going to turn this off just for fun. I'm going to stick in Bradley's Basic and see if it does actually do anything of significance. And the answer is no. No, it doesn't. So now, I'm just going to touch all the chips one at a time and just see if any of them seem to be remarkably hot after not much time. And the answer is no, not really. Nothing out of the ordinary. Like if a chip check RAM thing. If a chip gets really hot really fast, that is a good indication that there is deep trouble going on in there. Deep trouble. Anyway, despite that cover thing coming off, it doesn't look like there's anything terrible going on. I'll just give it another, I'm going to pull out the cartridge here. And I will put in the dead test by Retro Rewind. So I want dead test. I'll try that one. There are switches, so you can decide what you want. Dead test. I think we're doing number 2. Notice nothing has come up on this monitor. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So because that is the case, and still nothing is coming up with the dead test, I might as well put the Easy Riders poster back there. Okay, nothing is coming up. I will hit the reset button on the cartridge. I will flip the switch. And I will see what comes up. One thing that is most welcome to see is that everything in this machine is in sockets. And we're seeing nothing. 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 So I will press reset again. I will click to the diagnostics where it will, do whatever it does. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. We are on the air. We're on the air. Woohoo! And it's still doing nothing. So I'll hit the reset again, go to the other setting on this, and just see if it makes any difference at all. And of course, I will find that it does not. I think I'm going to switch back to the dead test and turn it actually all the way off, all the way on, and see what's up. And of course, I'm going to find that nothing is up because it is not working. It is not. So, turn it off. We know that the fuse is working because you see, when you get the response on that monitor, it means something is happening. There's a little bit of a flash and then things run funny. Hey, dude.